Alright YouTube, in this video we're going to be replacing the transmission oil in a 1998 Suzuki LT80, the Quad Sport 80. You don't have to take off any plastics or anything, it should be just right under the case, or the whole engine block, and with these quads I just want to make sure I get a good look at it and make sure I don't strip it out or anything, and so I'm going to take a jack stand over there, that white bar, and I'm going to just jack up the front, and we'll get down there and see that. So let me put the camera down and we can do that. Alright YouTube, so this is what we're going to do. I couldn't find on the internet, which is supposed to find everything on the damn internet, but I can't find on the internet how much oil goes in this case. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure our pan is completely dry to a point, and we're going to drain the oil, make sure we get all of it in the pan, and then I'm going to measure it with some old bottles, do some calculations and some converting, and then we're going to find out how much oil it needs. So let's get started by draining it. And it has this one has a 12mm ratchet, and you're going to need a little bit, ½ inch. So. Alright, so I got the screw open, the plug open, and now we're going to drop it all the way down so all the oil comes out. Wow, that's like nothing. Huh, interesting. They did say though that it didn't take that much oil, but that's like nothing. And that's a big ass case. I think this is the filler plug right there, so we're going to unscrew that and see if any more comes out. Alright YouTube, I'm an idiot. There it is, 80 milliliters. And I guess that's all the oil. That's like nothing. So yeah, I guess we'll fill her up with 80 milliliters. I don't know if that's the port or not, that's pretty small. That right there. Right there. That looks like it though. I mean, I can't think of anything else. I don't know. Let's take the exhaust off for fun. Clean it up real nice. So let's take the exhaust off and then we'll go from there. Alright, so I got the exhaust off. It's not here anymore. It's over here. Nice pipe. EG. Aftermarket. So that's good. So I was going to put an FMF exhaust on it if I had some extra money. So. But I guess this is where you put in the oil. For the tranny. It's really skinny. I don't know why Suzuki would have done that. I don't know. They built this really, really nice quad. So small, but I guess they felt like giving someone a little more hurting. you might have had to take the fender off, the rear fender. So I'm not sure because it's already off. But yeah. So basically, if you took your exhaust off, just put your exhaust back on, and you should be fine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.